doing Office Siren makeup today. You know how we start over here, we do the eyebrows. Should I do them lighter today? Got my red nails in the spirit of Valentine's Day. I'm just kidding. It looks a little darker than I want, but what can I say? Oh my gosh. I was like, where is my concealer brush? It's right here. I'm gonna conceal with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Natural Beige. This is such an intense concealing session. For the top of my brows, I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm gonna conceal under my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Now, while my concealer is sitting, I'm gonna bronze. It's getting serious, y'all. Okay. Now I'm gonna blend with my Real Techniques 200. Blend my contour, let my concealer sit. It's getting serious. I put the hair behind my ear. I'm not playing with y'all. Now we're gonna blend out our concealer. Now I'm gonna place my foundation above my jawline. I'm about to go in with my second concealer. Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Natural Beige. And I'm also gonna contour my nose while I wait for my concealer under my eyes to dry. Y'all know I'm about to put that white concealer on. Oh wait, let me blend out my nose first. Look at me jumping the gun. All right, so I'm gonna blend out my nose contour with my Real Techniques 300. Now that my nose contour is blended out, I'm gonna go in with my white concealer under my eyes. This is ASMR. I like tapping ASMR. I don't like that whispering. Don't whisper. What? Huh? Exactly. The fuck? Why are you whispering? Blend out our concealer for the third time of the night. Period. Hi. Here we are again. I'm gonna set my base with my loose finishing powder. I'm gonna bronze. So since we've already done our nose contour and kind of given ourselves a transition shade, I'm gonna go in with an ash brown shade on my eyes just to give it more of a cool tone effect. I'm going for like a subtle but impactful gray on that outer corner of my eye. Really trying to fan out that gray shadow. I don't want it super duper harsh. Only on that outer corner of my eye. Gray is so hard to capture on camera. I'm gonna darken the outer corner of my eye with a black shadow. I'm putting on eyeshadow. Okay, you can see it right there. Maybe it may be a little scarce. I can do it. It's there. I'm gonna go in with my bronzing shade as a transition. I'm gonna go above that gray shadow, because I want this look to pop a bit more. It's time for me to fake a cut crease. I'm gonna do a fake cut crease. I'm literally just gonna put a little bit of white concealer on my lid. Bro, I'll tell you what, this white shimmer is working overtime. A little more black. Wait, let me line my waterline. Let me just get that out the way. Smoke it out on the ends. Just that extra zhuzh. Okay. Fucking with it. I want some eyeliner. Now it's time for blush. Blush time. I'm gonna leave my eyes alone. I'll come back to them. I think now it's time for lashes. While I wait for the glue on my lashes to dry, I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna start lining my lips with the Kiss Professional Lip Pencil in the shade Chocolate. I'm gonna put some concealer in the middle of my lip. That's enough. Knowing how this shit can spread, that is enough. Go on with my go-to nude, which is the soft matte lip cream in the shade London. Now that our lips are done, I'm gonna put on my lashes finally. I feel like putting a little mascara on my bottom lashes. What's next? I'm gonna set my face and come back. I just realized this is satisfying for some people.
Watch us fly ahead, rise to every challenge, and overcome anything. Not just become the next greatest generation.
So this is the eye look. And this to complete our office siren look. Yeah. Yup. Yup. I think I pulled it off pretty well. I can't see through these glasses because they're not mine. They are not my readers. These are not my readers. Nice little office siren vibe. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials, and if you want more videos like this, let me know. Let's see it up close. Let's see it up close. Like I said, up close on the glam. Bye. Office siren core. Yeah. Bye. See you in the next video.